Hello there, everyone. It's been a while, and this is a bit different. I was going to do a tutorial. I'm still creating that tutorial. It's a bit different from the project that I'm showing you right now, but I decided to open source this project so we can, try it maybe and uh, modify it a bit. It's just like it's basically a template for your future project. So as you can tell, this one is the admin application. And in the about section, I've put like some of my services, so don't worry about that. And as you can tell, maybe I'm not so sure. You can see laptops. You can check their specs and stuff, and you can change their stats. Right. So this is the admin or the shop owner, part of the project. The second one is, I think, the user. So let me show you the user as well. Here it is, the user application, where you can see, he finds the latest laptops added, some maybe under a certain price, or maybe ones with i7 or something. I'm not sure, but you can make this even more beautiful. I'm very bad at design. Here you have all the laptops that are getting sold. These are not real, it's just an example. uh, yes, and the about page is just about just random about page about the store that I was going to create this application for. So let me just show you how to use this template. Where is it? Yes, this one. So if you want, you can fork this. I'm not sure where you find that. Yes, there it is. You can fork this, or you can clone it and just modify it directly. Alright, so when you open this project, first of all, you have to change these links. Let's say you have this kind of application. You go to database. You go to database, please. Database. I'm really sorry, my internet connection is a bit. Maybe it's too slow, but whatever. So we go down here and you create a real-time database. You just start in testing mode, and I'm going to show you. Yes, you start in testing mode, and you basically copy this link. Copy this link and paste it in here. Here, and in the second helper in the other project. As you can tell, there are two projects in here. You'll find the file under data called Firebase Helper in both projects. Firebase Helper, as you can tell. And you basically paste that link in here and in here as well. Now for the storage where you save your images, you go to storage obviously, and you basically copy the other link as well. So you click on start. Here, I think here you have to. I'm going to show you how to modify this. I think. Let me just try. Right, so you click on OK, and you take this link as well. I probably have like this ready until just replace this with the name of your project or the ID. If you don't know what the ID is, you just take this. Just this part. Oh, just this little part of the title. The ID. I think it is. And now when you have it all set up, you just save and just start your application. Maybe let's start the admin. When you add anything, you will see the changes in the database. Will obviously have changes, of course, because it's a real-time database. Okay, so let's create it again because for some reason it's gone. Right, so when you go to rules, sorry, it's in English, it's in French for some reason. That. Okay, so in rules you make sure you have these both to true. If you don't put them like this, you can't read or write from this. Now let's go to our application. I think it's launching, and it has a very ugly splash screen, as you can tell. You have to modify this. You can modify it in the Android, I think, assets folder. No, resources. Sorry. And by the way, this is only Android. If you want an iOS, I'm not sure how you can. You basically have to just add the iOS. Yes, I think you just have to add the iOS. What's called project. Yes, part of the project. Alright, so let's wait for this application to launch. My performance is very slow, so it's going to take a while. Let's add a new laptop. Click on add, and a pop-up will show. Okay, so let's use my laptop as an example. It's an HP, an EliteBook 820 G2. Price is very cheap, I guess. No, not that cheap. That's very, very cheap. Yes, that cheap. And you click next. The processor name, it's a bit too old right now. 2 cores, 4 threads. Clock speed, I think 2.9 or something. Yeah, just 4 megabytes. And let's click next. Graphic card. No graphic card apart from Intel. You know, in the exception of Intel HD 5500. The operating system is Windows, of course. RAM, it's 8. No, it's very, very low spec. Storage 180. Oh, sorry. Here 8, and here 180. Screen is Full HD 12.5 inches. Very, very small. Next. Kind of flexing, you know. Let's finish and post. I hope it just gets posted. Oh my god, an error. Why? I don't like these kind of errors because I don't know where they are coming from. So probably the error is somewhere in this link stuff. Not so sure. But you get the idea. It's very easy to add laptops and stuff. You just have to figure it out. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to post the link in the description. I hope I can remember that. And see you next time. Just don't forget to start the project on GitHub. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time with the tutorial about creating an eShop